What do you think? What do you think,
It's
Mike?
mint.
It's a brand new car.
Dude, yep. 1,599 miles. That's nuts.
And for anyone who says, oh, it rolled over, that's not actual mileage, they ran it back. You're telling me that that's what 101,000 miles looks like?
No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
We work with these cars all the time, so we know when a car is aged. Even if something has like 60,000 miles and it's this age, it does not look anything like this.
And what's crazier is there's two more that are even crazier than this one. But those are for future videos, so we're not gonna show you anything of those. You guys are gonna have to come back. I know that these are all C3 Corvettes, but those other two are even more special than this one. Brent, stop showing them too much. Come back to the car we're doing. We have to clean all this stuff up like we did for this whole area. We did a